Hold on to your hats, folks, because the stock market just took a wild ride. Reliance Power, the energy giant, saw its share price take a serious nosedive recently. We're talking about a drop that sent shivers down investors' spines. But why the sudden plunge? Well, it all started with a certain regulatory body called SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India. They decided to crack down on some alleged financial shenanigans, and guess who got caught in the crossfire? Reliance Power, that's who. The stock price plummeted like a meteor, hitting its lowest point in ages. Investors were left scratching their heads, wondering what this meant for the future of the company. Was this the beginning of the end for Reliance Power, or just a temporary setback? One thing's for sure, this was no ordinary day at the stock market. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Remember Anil Ambani, the business tycoon? Well, he's been slapped with some serious restrictions by SEBI, and that's got everyone talking. Apparently, SEBI wasn't too happy with some alleged fund diversion involving Reliance Home Finance Limited. They decided to take action, and Anil Ambani found himself on the receiving end. SEBI banned him from participating in the securities market for a whole 5 years. That means no trading, no investing, no nothing. To make matters worse, they also hit him with a hefty fine of 25 crore rupees. Ouch! And as if that wasn't enough, they barred him from holding any key positions in listed companies for 5 years. This sent shockwaves through the market as investors wondered what this meant for Reliance Power. After all, Anil Ambani is a big name, and any trouble he faces is bound to have ripple effects. As the dust settled from SEBI's bombshell announcement, all eyes turned to Reliance Power. How would the company respond to being dragged into this mess? Well, they didn't waste any time setting the record straight. Reliance Power issued a statement, loud and clear, saying that they had nothing to do with the whole SEBI investigation. They weren't a party to the proceedings, and SEBI hadn't issued any directions against them. They even pointed out that Anil Ambani had already resigned from their board of directors way back in 2022. See, nothing to see here. Despite their best efforts, the market wasn't entirely convinced. Investors were still a bit jittery, and the stock price continued to fluctuate. It seems like it'll take more than a statement to completely calm the nerves of the market. Section 4. What do the experts say? Price predictions and analysis. With the market in a frenzy, everyone's looking for answers. What does the future hold for Reliance Power? Thankfully, the experts are here to shed some light on the situation. Market analysts have been busy crunching numbers and studying charts, and they've come up with some interesting predictions. Some believe that the stock price could fall even further, while others are more optimistic. Technical analysts are pointing to key support and resistance levels, trying to predict where the stock might go next. It's a bit like reading tea leaves, but with more numbers and charts involved. One thing's for sure, the experts are divided, and there's no clear consensus on what the future holds for Reliance Power. It's a nail-biting time for investors. Section 5. Beyond the headlines, technical indicators and company performance. Let's dive a little deeper into the nitty-gritty of Reliance Power's situation. Beyond the headlines and expert opinions, there are some key indicators that can give us a clearer picture. Technical indicators like moving averages and RSI are painting a mixed picture. Some suggest that the stock is oversold, while others indicate that the downtrend might continue. Meanwhile, the company's financial performance is also under scrutiny. Reliance Power has been facing some challenges in recent times, and investors are keeping a close eye on their earnings reports. It's a complex web of factors that are influencing Reliance Power's stock price. Understanding these indicators is crucial for anyone looking to make informed investment decisions. Section 6. Looking ahead. Ownership, financials, and the future of Reliance Power. So, what does the future hold for Reliance Power? That's the million-dollar question, and unfortunately, there's no crystal ball to give us a definitive answer. However, we can look at some key factors that might shape the company's destiny. The company's ownership structure, with promoters holding a significant stake, will play a crucial role in its future direction. The financial health of the company, as reflected in its earnings reports and debt levels, will also be a major determinant of its success. And of course, we can't forget about external factors like government policies, regulatory changes, and competition within the energy sector. All of these elements will come into play as Reliance Power navigates the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. One thing's for sure, it's going to be a bumpy ride for Reliance Power, and only time will tell what the future holds. Investors, hold on tight.